Have you ever wondered of what you would find at the end of a rainbow? What if I told you there is a place high in the Peruvian Andes, a spectacle awaits? A canvas of color painted across the slopes of a mountain. This is Vinicunca, known to the world as Rainbow Mountain. Imagine standing before a mountain that seems to shimmer. Stripes of red, yellow, and green, a testament to the power of nature's artistry. Vinicunca's beauty is undeniable, drawing visitors from every corner of the globe. They come to witness this geological marvel, to capture its essence in photographs and memories. But Vinicunca is more than just a visual delight. It is a testament to the Earth's history, shaped by forces over millions of years. This is Travel with Glen, and I am Glen. This episode is a travel story of Vinicunca that begins deep in Earth's history. Imagine a time when this towering peak lay beneath the sea. Layer upon layer of sediment accumulated, a mixture of minerals and organic matter. Over eons, tectonic forces, the very same that shape our continents, pushed these layers upward. The ocean receded, revealing the nascent Andes Mountains. The vibrant colors we see today are a result of this tumultuous past. Iron oxides, responsible for the reds and yellows, tell a tale of oxidation and weathering. Sulfur, with its characteristic yellow hue, speaks of volcanic activity and the Earth's fiery breath. Vinicunca's story is a testament to the immense power of geological processes. Over millions of years, the Earth's crust shifted and collided, pushing the land skyward. The Andes, one of the longest mountain ranges on Earth, are a product of these powerful forces. Imagine the immense pressure that compressed the layers of sediment once at the bottom of an ancient sea. These layers, composed of sandstone, limestone, and evaporites, underwent a metamorphosis. Heat and pressure transformed them, creating the metamorphic rocks that make up Vinicunca today. This process, known as orogeny, is responsible for the birth of mountain ranges across the globe. The vibrant colors that adorn Vinicunca's slopes are not merely a random occurrence. They are a direct result of the mineral composition of its rocks, a chemical symphony orchestrated over millennia. Iron oxide, a common mineral found in the Earth's crust, is responsible for the striking reds and yellows. When iron comes into contact with oxygen and water, it oxidizes, much like rust forming on metal. The varying shades of red and yellow reflect different concentrations and types of iron oxides present in the rock layers. Sulfur, another key player in Vinicunca's color palette, contributes its characteristic yellow hues. Often associated with volcanic activity, sulfur is found in many forms and can create a range of yellow and greenish yellow shades. The presence of chlorite adds another layer of complexity to Vinicunca's color scheme. This greenish mineral thrives in environments rich in magnesium and iron. Its presence in certain layers of Vinicunca contributes to the mountain's distinctive green stripes. The interplay of these minerals, their varying concentrations, and the way they have been deposited and exposed over time creates the mesmerizing patterns we see. It's important to remember that these colors are not painted on the surface. They are an integral part of the mountain structure, revealed through the forces of erosion. Wind, rain, and temperature fluctuations have sculpted Vinicunca over time, exposing fresh layers of mineral-rich rock. Vinicunca stands tall against a backdrop of extreme conditions. At an altitude exceeding 17,000 feet, the air is thin and the sun's rays are intense. This is a place of stark beauty, where the climate plays a crucial role in shaping the landscape. Imagine the biting winds that whip across the slopes, carrying with them ice crystals and dust. Temperatures fluctuate dramatically, plummeting below, freezing at night, and soaring during the day. This constant cycle of freezing and thawing, combined with the low oxygen levels, creates a harsh environment for life to thrive. Yet life persists, clinging to the slopes in the form of hardy grasses and mosses, a testament to nature's resilience. The climate's influence on Vinicunca extends beyond its living inhabitants. The very colors that draw visitors from afar are, in part, a result of the relentless forces of weathering and erosion. Imagine the power of rain, transforming from gentle showers to icy hailstorms. Each drop, as it strikes the mineral-rich slopes, carries away tiny particles of rock, gradually revealing the layers beneath. Temperature fluctuations also play a crucial role. As the sun beats down during the day, the rock expands, only to contract again in the frigid night temperatures. This constant expansion and contraction weaken the rock, making it more susceptible to the erosive forces of wind and water. Over time, this process sculpts the mountain, creating the dramatic valleys and ridges that define its form. For the local communities who call the Andes home, Vinicunca is more than just a beautiful mountain. It is a place of deep spiritual significance, revered for generations. Imagine a people whose lives are intricately intertwined with the rhythms of nature, who depend on the land for their sustenance and well-being. For them, Vinicunca is a sacred site, a place where the veil between the physical and spiritual worlds thins. Their ancestors walked these slopes long before the arrival of tourists, their lives shaped by the mountain's presence. They recognized the power of nature, embodied in Vinicunca's towering peaks and vibrant colors. It is a place where they feel a profound connection to the earth, to their history, and to the spirits that are believed to reside within the mountain. In the cosmology of the local people, Vinicunca is not merely a geological formation. It is a living entity, a powerful deity worthy of respect and veneration. The mountain, with its life-giving waters that flow down to nourish the valleys below, is seen as a source of fertility and abundance. Its colorful stripes are believed to represent the different layers of the cosmos, a visual manifestation of the interconnectedness of all things. The local people believe that the mountain holds sway over the weather, the crops, and the well-being of their communities. They make offerings to Vinicunca, seeking its blessings for good harvests, healthy livestock, and protection from misfortune. These offerings, often consisting of coca leaves, chicha, a fermented corn beverage, and other symbolic items, are a way of showing gratitude and maintaining a harmonious relationship with the mountain deity. The recent surge in tourism has brought both challenges and opportunities to Vinicunca and the communities that live in its shadow. The influx of visitors brings much needed income, but also challenges in balancing economic development with preserving Vinicunca's cultural and ecological integrity. Local communities strive to share their sacred mountain while protecting its heritage and ecosystem for future generations. Vinicunca's beauty, once a secret shared among local communities, has captivated the world. Tourists from every corner of the globe, drawn by its vibrant slopes, now make their way to this remote corner of the Andes. While this influx of visitors brings economic opportunities to the region, it also presents significant challenges. The delicate ecosystem, accustomed to harsh conditions and minimal human impact, is now facing the pressures of increased foot traffic. Imagine the once pristine trails now marked by the passage of thousands of footsteps. The fragile vegetation, slow to grow at this altitude, struggles to recover from being trampled underfoot. Erosion, a natural process exacerbated by human activity, threatens to scar the mountain slopes, washing away the very colors that draw visitors. Recognizing the urgent need to protect Vinicunca, local communities, government agencies, and international organizations have come together. They understand that preserving this natural and cultural treasure requires a concerted effort, a shared responsibility to ensure its sustainability for future generations. Imagine the passionate discussions, the shared commitment to finding a balance between showcasing Vinicunca's beauty and safeguarding its fragile ecosystem. Regulations have been put in place, limiting the number of visitors allowed each day, a measure aimed at reducing the impact on the environment. Local communities, recognizing their role as stewards of the land, are actively involved in monitoring the mountain's health, reporting any signs of degradation, and working to educate visitors about responsible behavior. The challenge of conserving Vinicunca is ongoing, a delicate dance between sharing its wonders with the world and ensuring its long-term preservation. It requires a shift in perspective, a move away from a purely extractive form of tourism to one that is regenerative and sustainable. Imagine tourists not just as passive observers, but as active participants in conservation efforts. They learn about the importance of staying on designated trails, minimizing their impact on the environment, and respecting the cultural significance of the site. They understand that their visit comes with a responsibility, a commitment to leave Vinicunca as breathtaking as they found it. The future of this natural wonder depends on such collective action, on recognizing that the beauty of Vinicunca is not ours to exploit, but a gift to be cherished and protected. Vinicunca, with its exposed layers of colorful minerals, is more than just a visual spectacle. It's a geologist's dream, a natural laboratory offering insights into Earth's history. Imagine scientists examining the strata, each layer a page in a geological textbook. They document the minerals present and how they interact. By analyzing these layers, they reconstruct the sequence of events. Marine fossils confirm this peak was once submerged beneath an ancient sea. The minerals and their arrangement provide clues about tectonic activity. Vinicunca is a time capsule preserving Earth's dynamic past. High-altitude environment is ideal for studying climate change impacts. Researchers track temperature, precipitation, and wind patterns. They monitor glacial retreat and shrinking ice caps. Vinicunca provides early warning signs of climate change. Studying erosion and vegetation helps understand climate effects. Vinicunca is a critical barometer of our planet's health. Vinicunca, the mountain that wears a rainbow, stands as a powerful symbol of the Earth's artistry and the delicate balance of nature. Its vibrant slopes, a result of geological wonders and environmental forces, captivate the eye and inspire awe. But Vinicunca, is more than just a feast for the senses. It is a testament to the interconnectedness of all things. The same forces that painted it with hues of red, yellow, and green continue to shape its destiny. Climate change casts a shadow even on this remote corner of the Andes. Yet, there is hope. Local communities who revere Vinicunca as sacred are taking a stand to protect their mountain. They understand that its future is intertwined with their own. As we marvel at Vinicunca, let us remember its fragility. Let us tread lightly upon its slopes, mindful of our impact. For in the heart of this rainbow mountain lies a promise of beauty, preserved, and cultures respected.
Travel far and wide, let's take flight. See the world's wonders, day and night. From sandy beaches to mountain peaks, every adventure, a memory we keep.